In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to be. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as discourse analysis. And discourse analysis, I told you about textuality. That textuality is the examination of the attributes and qualities of the whole text. Yesterday, I told you about the 7 standards of textuality. And 7 standards of textuality, I only defined intertextuality. That intertextuality is the relationship between text. So the relationship between texts is called intertextuality. Listeners and audience, today I am going to teach you the next standard of textuality from the 7 standards, and it is intentionality. What is intentionality? And what a writer or an author has to do about intentionality. Listeners and audience, intentionality is derived from intention. It is derived from intention. And intentionality is the writer's dependent feature. It means it depends upon the writer that what he or she wants to convey by his or her message. Listeners and audience, in order to reach a desirable intention, it is necessary for a writer and author to follow the maxims of Paul Grice. And I told you and presented a detailed lecture about the 4 maxims of Paul Grice, if you want to listen it again with examples. And that is, the topic is cooperative principle. However, let me revise it with this topic again. Paul Grice presented 4 maxims in order that a text must be coherent and cohesive. For an author and writer, it is important that if he conveys his message, his text must be cohesive and coherent. And he should follow the maxims of Paul Grice. The first one, maxim of quality. Second one, maxim of quantity. Third one, maxim of relevance. And the last one, maxim of manner. Let me talk about first, maxim of quantity. According to maxim of quantity, it means that be informative as is required, provide information as it necessary, do not provide extra information. And when we are talking about the maxim of quality, maxim of quality says that do not say what you think to be false and incorrect. And do not say or do not write what you believe to be lack evidence. And maxim of relevance means be relevant to your topic, be relevant to what you want to say. And maxim of manner mean that be in order and brief Try to provide valid and to the point information. And whatever you are conveying, that must be in proper order. There must be a series and sequence in your information. However, to conclude today's topic, the conclusion of today's topic is that the third standard or the second standard of textuality is intentionality. And intentionality wants the author and the speaker that when a speaker or a writer particularly conveys a message by his or her text, that must be coherent and cohesive and follow the maxim of Paul Grice to reach a desirable intention. So hope that this topic is clear to you.